Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Who doesn't love mango fruity, fresh and juicy? In this summer season, mostly we love to drink and eat something cool because the season is like this. Trust me, every time we just can't go out and buy these ice creams or have this chilled ones, and also we just can't afford ice creams or popsicles all the time to our children. But if you have fruities at home, just try this simple tip. You can solve this problem for yourself, and also you can satisfy your kids whenever they ask for you an ice cream. So all you need to do is take a fruity and then just poke on the top of it and insert this popsicle stick into it and then freeze it for an overnight or 24 hours, and then the other day when you remove this, it will be hard like this. And then what you need to do is remove the folded papers like this with the help of a blade, because with scissor it will be difficult for you. So with the help of a blade you can easily cut it off. So cut the edges like this, and then already it is in the room temperature, so it will be very easy for us to remove the fruity popsicle from the cover itself. See, it's very easy to remove it. Now when you remove this, you can easily serve this directly to your kids or your guests when you have at home. All you need is you need to have fruities at home, and that's it. You can serve this chilled cool fruity popsicles for yourself and your family. I hope you love this video. This is a just simple tip that you can't go out and then enjoy at home itself.